All right, kids, this is it. We're here.
Mum, I lost my tablet on the ride.
I'm sure we'll find them. Wow, this house looks incredible. So, fam, what do you think? This house is beautiful. Oh, wow, Barbie, this is amazing. Come on, guys, get out of the car. Come on, get out of the car so we can go and see inside. Come on, choose your rooms. All right, kids, come on. It's been a long trip.
I want to go see my room and set up my dolls.
I wish your daddy was here, but he had to get finished up in New Zealand and we'll move here soon. It will be exciting to have it here, but at least I have Jenna to help. It's okay. It's going to be perfect. The house looks nice. Wait till you come in and see inside, Barbie. This is the 7th time we've moved. This is the last time. That way you'll always say,
I want that room.
wait for me, guys. I want to come and find my new room. Why is there so much dust? Has this been empty for what, I think a year? Something crazy like it smells weird.
Oh, my room is amazing. I can't wait to decorate my room.
Hey, guys, I know this move has been a big trip and it's hard on us all, but I'm here to talk to help you settle into your new life. We will make nice rooms for you all, and this adventure will begin. Come on, everyone, grab a box. Let's start unpacking. Come on, everyone.
My toys. I need my toys.
Okay, girls, let's look.
First thing, my doll collection.
Emily,
We should have hired professional movers. Oh, this is heavy. This is so heavy. There's one thing about a new house. There's lots of cleaning to do. It's a good thing, so let's start unpacking. The kitchen. Oh, I've got all my kitchen stuff. Amazing. Oh, wow, look at this kitchen. It does need a good clean, though. So exciting.
Look, I found my tablet.
Awesome. I think the bunk beds are the best option for this room. Trust me, girls, you're going to love sharing a room. It's like having a party.
I fell from the top bunk, so I'll take the bottom bunk.
Okay, girls, go ahead and start unpacking. We have lots of organising to do today.
Mummy, I need a break since I'm so tired.
Hey, Maggie, you're a little nervous about our move. I think you'll be okay. If you want to see more of our videos with our family, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and a subscribe for more fun. I'll go look for my room. We'll have your own space. It's a beautiful neighborhood. You're going to love it here. This is our new life. It's so exciting. I know. Welcome to our new home.